Physics for Good. I'm Allison and today I want to talk about mirrors. I am not surrounded by mirrors. I am coming from the Nouveau Forest. You will see why. So this is often how we represent a mirror. If we are drawing it, then the reflective side is going to be on the left here. So if you're looking at yourself in the mirror, you're like this. And then the back side is this side that we indicate with sort of diagonal lines. And so there's three main types of mirror. There's a plane mirror, that's just a fancy name for a flat mirror. There's a concave mirror, which curves like this. And then there's a convex mirror, which curves the other way. And in all three of these, if you were looking at yourself, you'd be here on the left, and then the back side would be on the right. Now, while we're talking about terminology, we should introduce a couple other terms that we'll be using over the course of the next few videos in mirrors, and then after that, also in lenses. And so those two terms are object and image. And the object is like the original. So if you're looking at yourself in a mirror, you are the object. And the image is like what the mirror produces. What do you see when you look into the mirror? Or if we're dealing with lenses, what do you see when you look through a lens? Sort of a dictionary definition of image is like the apparent reproduction of the object. So if you look and you see your reflection, it's like a reproduction of yourself. So that's the image. So instead of seeing those last two words as dry vocab that we have to put on flashcards or something, let's have some fun with them. So here we've got two parallel mirrors, and we've got the object, my phone. Now that's going to form an image in the first mirror. Now that image is going to be the object for the second mirror. And so we form an image in the second mirror. And that image is going to be an object for the first mirror. And now this goes on back and forth forever. The result looks like this, and you've probably seen this before. In fact, you might even know this setup by the name Infinity Mirror. All of this brings me to the Children's Museum of Phoenix. About 9 years ago, I pitched them an idea for a math class for 0 to 5-year-olds, and I've been doing the class there approximately monthly ever since. For this video, I spoke to camp coordinator Ricardo Bernal.
So the Children's Museum of Phoenix is one of the top children's museums in the nation. Located in the heart of downtown Phoenix, we have 3 floors of hands-on learning and exploration. We are not like most other museums. Here we want you to touch everything. We have a plethora of programs from music, yoga, a lot of math and science-based activities, and an art studio that has a ton of everything for any aspiring artist.
I currently teach monthly math and science programs at the museum, and I take very seriously the responsibility of making someone's first experience, especially with math, a good one. We play music, have 3D shapes races, and walk around the room to experience spatial opposites. This activity that you see right here is everyone's favorite, but I'm going to make you come to the class to see what it is. Of course, we also work with mirrors. Can you put it so you see 2 noses, or is that silly? Is that silly? How many noses do we have? Just one nose. Where's your nose? I know that revelation just rocked your world. Well, here's what rocks mine. 50% of the ad revenue from this episode will go to the Children's Museum. And if you want to do more?
There are a ton of ways that we can have viewers support the museum. You can go online and donate. We've got volunteer opportunities for almost any age to come in and help us out. Extra hands are always helpful. We've got children's camps that you can sign up for and register for, and simply even just visiting the museum and having fun here is really helpful.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, please consider subscribing right here and sharing the video with a friend. Also, check out the video description where you'll find a link to the charity you just saw, as well as some affiliate links.